So hey guys, welcome back, and today I was playing Call of Duty and today was my first day. So I tried to log in and this is what happened. My network was really slow today. It was damn slow. So guys, please like, share and subscribe this video. So guys, as I said my internet was damn slow. I was continuously checking my internet. And guys, finally I could log in. And guys, as I logged in, I don't know how directly I went to a match. Actually, not even match. I did not think the match would be so easy. So it sent me to choose an account, and I chose my account. And then it asked me to type my name, and it was the Horizon Gaming. But I could not type all the characters, so I could type only the Horizon Gaming. The N and G were not there. Because as you're seeing, I'm not able to type the N. I continuously tried, but I couldn't. So then I finally got to know that it is only about 14 characters, so I left it and I went to a match. So guys, as you people know, I already know to play Call of Duty, so it wasn't tough for me. So guys, as I said, my internet was really slow. Really slow. So here I got a notification of someone Simon. Then I remembered it was someone as the type of coach, and it gave me all instructions. So guys, in next video I'm gonna make my settings. So if you want to see my settings, just see the next video too. So I don't know from where it started shooting by itself. I think auto shoot was on, but I couldn't do my settings, so I started doing whatever it said. So it started shooting by itself. So as it got a setting finally, but I could not do whatever I want. I tried to click on custom mode, but I couldn't, so I left off the settings and I started continuing. So guys, so I know M4 it is actually a good gun, but many people do not use M4 too much. Guys, but M4 is actually awesome. But I don't know why did it say me to pick up DLQ-3 because it is a sniper, it's not at all for short range. So guys, as you know, in this update it has added DLQ-3 to this one, Battle Royale. So guys, the next man, I had to give almost 3 shots and then he died. This was damn tough to kill the third person. So I finally got victory. So guys, I'm ending my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye guys, meet you in the next video.